Hi guys. Navjot, if you're live,
We are waiting for Navjot.
Can you see me this time or no?
Oh, Navjot, I can't see. Okay, maybe let me add somebody else. Is it just happening with you?
क्या
Is it just
बोलूं
happening with
मैं?
you या फिर सबके साथ ही हो रहा है? नहीं, मेरे
किसी
को
ने
चेक करना
ऐसा
कि
वुडू
आपके
कर दिया
इसके
लग रहा।
साथ ही हो रहा है. नहीं, आप ही के साथ हो रहा है, ये फिर मुझे ऑडियो चैट करना पड़ेगा. बट आई वांटेड टू सी यू यार, ऐसे तो आई कांट डू इट. आई विल ऐड एक बार किसी और को ऐड करके देखती हूँ कि सबके साथ ही ऐसा हो रहा है
हाँ,
और
डू
इज इट
दैट ना।
जस्ट
हाँ,
योर दिस
जस्ट
थिंग.
ट्राई।
या और नवजोत को बोलो नेटवर्क चेंज करने के लिए. ओके गाइस, सेंड मी अ रिक्वेस्ट, सेंड मी अ लाइव रिक्वेस्ट क्विकली. हाय नीलम परमार. या सेंड मी अ रिक्वेस्ट गाइस, आई विल कनेक्ट. Neelam, can you?
Neelam, can you?
Okay, it's
Okay,
connecting.
it's connecting.
Can you see me? Navjot, it's happening with your network. Navjot, it's happening with your network because I'm able to connect with other people. Yeah, और लोगों से connect हो रहा है. Hi Roshan, hi Jatin, hi Sovik.
Okay, we are finally here.
Oh, finally Navjot in the house.
Actually, I sent you the request, so then now you can see me. I don't know how
हो
this
सकता
works.
है. Yeah, now I can completely. Is this your first live?
Yeah, I am not a live friendly person. This is a first for me.
Is it? But thank you so much, Navjot, for accepting my request. And guys, we have Navjot Gulati in the house, and I know
You
you
are my
all
guinea pig.
might be
मैं first
aware.
time try कर रहा हूँ कि ये होता कैसे है.
You all might be aware who he is, but then still, I'm going to introduce him. He's a writer, director, producer. And recently, his film Jai Mamidi has come out and it has done quite well. So, congratulations once again. And he has written a lot of scripts and he writes almost every day, if I'm not wrong. Jab my last baat hui thi, he told me that Lekha, whether I'm happy, whether I'm depressed, whether, kuch bhi ho raha hai duniya mein, I'll at least write a page. Do you remember, Navjot, you told me this?
Yeah, I remember. And I
You,
also.
to,
पर
you told me
मैं तो
that.
पैसे के लिए लिखता हूँ. मैं कह रहा हूँ मैं तो पैसे के लिए ज्यादा लिखता हूँ वैसे.
अरे
मेरा
पर
घर
पैसे
चलता
के
है
लिए
लिखने से.
और पैसे के लिए भी रोज लिखना इज अ बिग थिंग ना. लोग रोज नहीं लिख पाते ना, सबसे बड़ी बात. आप रोज लिखते हैं. आपने मुझे कहा था कि कुछ भी हो जाए, आई ऑलवेज मेक श्योर दैट आई एटलीस्ट राइट अ पेज. भले ही मैं एक लाइन लिखूं, बट मैं आई ऑलवेज राइट एवरी डे.
कोशिश तो करता हूँ मैं.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, आपकी कोशिश सक्सेसफुल भी होती है. सो welcome to Lekha Talks, Navjot, and I'm so happy you're here. And a lot of friends, I think Hardik is also here, Hardik Mehta. A lot of friends are here and they're saying
वो
hi.
सब मुझे इसके बाद ट्रोल करेंगे, वो इसलिए आए हैं.
क्यों? ऐसे क्यों?
अरे पहली बार आ रहा हूँ ना लाइव पे.
और वो भी मेरे साथ आ रहे हो? ओह, that way. Okay, so Sohail Nair is saying hello, sir. Sohail Nair.
हाँ ऑफ कोर्स. वो तो बैठा है 5:30 से वेट कर रहा है.
Okay, Deepak Kalra is
दीपक
saying
कालरा
wow.
इज हियर.
Wow, sir, big fan. God, यार Navjot, huh? Good, quite nice fan following, huh? Suhail is saying, what a guy, what a guy. Okay, Navjot, let's
दीक्षा
get.
इज हियर. शी इज आल्सो वेरी जॉबलेस टुडे. माय फ्रेंड दीक्षा,
Okay,
शी हैज आल्सो
okay,
जॉइंड.
okay. Hi, Deeksha. Hi, guys. So नवजोत, शुरू से शुरुआत करते हैं. I know you are not a
शुरू से शुरुआत
Mumbaiker.
करेंगे तो 1987 में जाना पड़ेगा.
तो 1987 में ही चलते हैं एंड शुरू से शुरुआत करते हैं
नहीं
बिकॉज
नहीं.
एक्चुअली आई वांट टू नो योर रूट्स. आई वांट टू नो वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम, बिकॉज मैं जानती हूँ आप मुंबई से नहीं है. एंड आप कुछ साल पहले मुंबई आए, मतलब 10-12 साल पहले. तो शुरू से शुरुआत करते हैं. वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम, आप कहाँ से है, कहाँ से आपकी स्कूलिंग हुई?
I'm basically from Bareilly.
ओके.
So Bareilly, I was in, which is a small town in UP.
ओके.
So I was there till I was in class 10th.
ओके.
उसके बाद me and my family, we shifted to Faridabad. We lived there for 2 years. And then we shifted to Delhi. I lived in Delhi for about 5 years. उसके बाद फिर बॉम्बे गया in 2009. Now my family has again come back to Faridabad. तो ऐसा कॉकटेल है, हाइब्रिड है, not one place. थोड़ा थोड़ा हर जगह से ले रखा है.
तो आपने कॉलेज वगैरह कहाँ से किया नवजोत?
मैंने कॉलेज करा ही नहीं. आई एम ड्रॉप आउट.
ओह. ओह. ओके. ओके. आपका देयर इज अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ योर्स, दीपक कालरा. ही इज सेइंग भाई एप्स दिखा दो, बरेली की बर्फी, दिल्ली के छोले भटूरे. आप तो कहते हैं ट्रोलिंग इसके बाद होने वाली है, आपका तो यहीं पे ट्रोलिंग
हाँ, ये
स्टार्ट हो
अभी
गया.
से चालू हो गए. लोगों के पास बहुत टाइम है आजकल ना. लॉकडाउन और कोरोना की वजह से बहुत लोग जॉबलेस हैं. क्या करें.
True, 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 true. नहीं, but हाँ, you know, all the creative people, they are still creating, they are still trying to create as much as it is possible. अच्छा नवजोत, अगर मैं आपके 10th स्टैंडर्ड की टीचर से पूछूं कि हाउ इज नवजोत गुलाटी, तो व्हाट वुड शी से?
शी वुड से इसका कुछ नहीं होगा, ये होपलेस.
ये सारे राइटर्स की कहानी ऐसी ही क्यों होती है?
हाँ, ये
अच्छा.
भी है एक्चुअली में.
अच्छा
जो
सॉरी,
पढ़े
आपके
लिखे
आगे.
लोग होते हैं वो आगे जाए. मैं कह रहा हूँ जो ज्यादा पढ़ लिखते हैं वो आगे जाके राइटिंग करते नहीं है फॉर सम रीजन.
अच्छा, अच्छा, अच्छा. हार्दिक हैज
मतलब
कम अप.
मैंने.
हाँ सॉरी, हार्दिक इज सेइंग यार मैं तेरे लिए फ्री हूँ, वरना कोई फ्री नहीं बैठा मैं. दीपक कार्ला इज सेइंग ही इज इंडिया, भारत, हिंदुस्तान. सुहेल इज सेइंग शी विल क्राई. आई डोंट नो, शी विल क्राई लाफिंग. आई डोंट
I
नो व्हाट
don't
इज
know
ही
what
सेइंग.
he's.
ओके.
I
ओके
thought
गाइस.
I thought a lot of people will just come and go, but they have clearly decided to stay.
Array, it's good. No, they actually see, you know what, Navjot, people just know you as this happy, cheerful guy who's, you know, always oozing with positive energy and, you know, who has this positive aura. But to be very frank, you know, very less, very few, only your close friends, they actually know, you know, all the struggles that you have gone through and, you know, all the hardships you have actually gone through. Because आप जितना मैं आपको जानती हूँ, आप इतना शो नहीं करते हो. Like, you know, you always keep it to yourself. You'll always radiate positive energy जो भी आपसे मिलता है, जो भी नया इंसान आपसे मिलता है. So that was the reason. Okay, Lekha, you should come for Navjot's annual dinner party. I've had a lot of dinners with him, so don't worry, Aarti. Yeah. तो आपकी, हाँ, तो हम क्वेश्चन पे वापस से आते हैं. तो आपकी 10th स्टैंडर्ड की टीचर क्या बोलेगी कि नवजोत का कुछ नहीं हो सकता?
वो यही बोलेगी कि इसका कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. ही इज
अच्छा.
होपलेस.
अच्छा.
और मैं था भी. I was a hopeless student. मतलब I
ओके.
was only good in like 2 subjects. One was history and the other one was English. That's all. उसके अलावा I was hopeless. कुछ भी नहीं आता था मुझे.
अच्छा.
But
अच्छा.
I think I always had a knack for observing people. वो
True.
बचपन से ही था तो उसी की खा रहे हैं.
तो नवजोत आप कब शिफ्ट हुए? When did you shift to Mumbai?
I shifted in 2009.
Okay. Okay, it's been almost
So it's
11
been
years.
around 11 years, yeah.
Okay. Navjot, do you remember your first job? जैसे आप मुंबई आए थे, आपकी जो पहली जॉब थी.
Yes, I remember. My first job was for a film actually. The film was called Chule Asman.
Okay.
And it was one of those, मतलब वैसे वाली जो फिल्म होती है ना, ऐसा बाप के लिए बेटा बना रहा था. बैंगलोर से आए थे और जो बेटा था उसकी क्वालिफिकेशन ये थी कि उसका बेस्ट फ्रेंड मीमो था. So
Okay.
मिथुन का
Okay.
बेटा.
Okay.
So
Okay. 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 Yeah.
So वो फिल्म वैसी थी. They shot it in मसूरी में शूट हुई थी. That was the first film job I got. मतलब उससे पहले I had done a lot of other jobs back in NCR. But this was the first film job. और for about 3 months मैंने ये सीखा कि फिल्म कैसे नहीं बननी चाहिए. Because it was a terrible film. Everything that could go wrong went wrong.
Okay.
मतलब उन्होंने हर गलत डिसीजन लिया, चाहे वो राइटिंग को लेकर हो, चाहे वो कास्टिंग को लेके हो, चाहे वो एचओडी को लेके हो, चाहे वो एडीज को लेके हो. मैं तो उस पे एडी खुद था, मैं भी गलत डिसीजन था, मुझे पता अब लगता है. तो उस फिल्म पे आई लर्न दैट. एंड द फनी थिंग इज दैट द फर्स्ट डे व्हेन आई जॉइंड दैट फिल्म, सो आई रेड द स्क्रिप्ट और मैंने फर्स्ट एडी को बोला ये फिल्म क्यों बना रही हो, ये रिलीज नहीं होगी. So he got scandalized and he's like, "Are you mad? Why are you saying this? Who talks like this?" मैंने बोला बट ये कहाँ बनेगी इतनी बकवास फिल्म और रिलीज होगी तो कौन देखेगा, इससे बढ़िया ना ही रिलीज हो ना. एंड द फिल्म नेवर एक्चुअली रिलीज्ड.
ओके.
एज थिंग्स स्टैंड. मतलब अब लॉकडाउन में नेटफ्लिक्स वाले डेस्परेट हो गए तो उसको भी रिलीज कर दे तो मुझे नहीं मालूम.
Acha, Navjot, I want to ask you, you are an amazing writer, and I know as a matter of fact, whether you are depressed, whether you are extremely happy, whether you are coming from a party, all like all out, even then, you are going to come home and you are going to write a page. भले ही वो शायद उस पूरे पेज में शायद एक ही लाइन हो. How did you start writing? I mean, where did this passion come from? And to be very frank, people like us who are from the non-filmy background, writing, अगर मैं अपने पापा को बोलती हूँ that I want to become a writer, he won't take me very seriously. He'll be like, okay, हाँ, but writing is not taken as a profession. So how did this happen?
Honestly, मुझे ये नहीं पता है कि ट्रिगर पॉइंट क्या है कि when did I really decide I can write, but I do remember an incident जिसके बाद मैंने लिखना शुरू करा. So I had this back in 2007, I think. I had this call center consultancy in NCR, मतलब Delhi to be precise.
Okay.
और वहां पे ना there used to be this guy called Lallan Kumar Chaube.
Okay.
So this guy used to come to my office every day to give interview to get a job in an international call center. And he would fail every day. वो रोज आके अपना इंटरव्यू देता था, रोज रिजेक्ट होता था और अगले दिन फिर वापस आता था. And the good thing about him was that his English was actually good, as in the grammar was in place, but उसका जो mother tongue influence था, that would never really get him a job in an international BPO. So he used to try really hard, and one day it just struck me, यार ऐसा क्या होगा that this guy could get a job. So the origin of writing for the first time was, what if Lallan gets a job? तो मैंने वो स्टोरी लिखी. It never got made, but that was the first time I wrote something. Because see, and I have realized over the years that I always get fascinated with people, events, places, and then I write something. तो अगर वो fascination नहीं होगी, या तो कोई अब तो पैसे के लिए करने लगा हूँ, पर पहले तो fascination ही होती थी और intrigue होती थी, and then I would do something about it. So that is how it is.
True. But I have to ask you something, Navjot. How do you get motivated every day to write? See, we all in the creative field, and we all have.
So I will tell you how I get motivated. मेरा एक दोस्त है.
Okay,
his name is Somen Mishra.
I am so sorry for interrupt. Prosit Roy has just joined.
I'm saying I have a friend called. Yeah, Prosit is also a friend.
He has just joined and he's saying, "Akka Versova ka king kaun?" नवजोत ट्रोलिंग तो स्टार्ट हो गई है.
वो तो चलता रहेगा, कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता. मैं बोल रहा हूँ मेरी मोटिवेशन टू राइट इज सोमेन मिश्रा.
Oh, so Somen has just Hardik has messaged Somen Mishra is here. Oh my God! Hi Somen, hi. If you're here, congratulations. You are the inspiration to Navjot Gulati, and
he's the man.
Yeah, you are the man.
See,
yeah.
The bottom line is that if you have Somen Mishra in your life, there is no dearth of motivation. You'll keep getting it.
How come?
That is what it is.
How does it happen?
Because he'll always keep you on your toes. He will keep criticizing you. and making you do better. That's how he works.
Okay.
And
Okay.
he's the most concerned person for me.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
And उसके अलावा the other motivation is obviously bills. Because आप अच्छा बनाओ, बुरा बनाओ, खराब लिखो, पैसे तो सबको चाहिए घर चलाने के लिए.
True. True. So true. Very
और
true. Very
यहाँ
true.
Bombay is expensive. You know, I'll tell you something.
Yeah. Yeah. Me too.
When I came to Bombay, the first rent that I paid was 3,500.
Okay. Okay.
And now my rent is 10 times that.
So true.
So
Yeah.
Bombay
Yeah.
has only gotten expensive and you just can't help it. आपको पैसे तो कमाने ही पड़ेंगे और कोई तरीका नहीं है. So a lot of days I don't feel like writing. पर अभी पैसे कमाने हैं तो करना ही पड़ेगा, क्या कर सकते हैं.
So true.
That's
So true.
also a big motivation.
Yeah, and Navjot, I mean, I love the fact that you are such an honest and such a blunt person. ऐसे कौन कहता है यार कि मैं पैसों के लिए करता हूँ? पैसों के लिए तो पूरी इंडस्ट्री काम करती है, but nobody actually says it. I've never seen somebody. I mean, maybe one or two interviews I must have seen, a X or Y superstar saying it. But otherwise, to be very frank, I think once Shahrukh sir से किसी ने question पूछा था that, sir, you have an empire. Why do you still, dance? Like, why do you still dance in award shows? And, why do you still attend these big birthday parties? And he told the same thing that, dude, I have to, pay my bills. So I think,
हाँ,
obviously,
बस ये है कि वो बिल का अमाउंट बढ़ते जाता है, पर बिल तो बिल है ना.
True, very true, absolutely true, absolutely true. Okay, a lot of people are okay. Somen Mishra is saying, why is he blushing so much? Navjot, would you like to
It's
answer?
because of him.
Ah,
It's because he's not going away. I want him to go away.
ऐसे मत बोलो यार. Your inspiration should be there throughout the live session.
अरे he has a big company to run. He's so busy in life. I don't know why he's not going.
अरे, come on.
Amar Kaushik is here. He wants me to adjust the frame. The director of Stree.
Amar, hi Amar, how are you? Yaar,
I would request Amar to send his DOP to me. I will adjust the frame then. मुझे तो यही अच्छा लग रहा है.
Okay. Navjot, I was, going through your entire
किसी को कोई झांस आवे उनको बिल तो बिल है, बहुत अच्छा लगा है कोट टी-शर्ट के लिए.
Quote, which is so true. Bill to bill hai. Whether it's whether it's me or whether it's SRK or Salman, yeah, bill to bill hai. Absolutely true. Okay, Navjot, I was going through your profile and I went through what all you have done in these 11 years. And one very, very smart decision I feel you took was you turned into a producer. You produced a lot of short films. Your short film called Best Girlfriend actually, broke the internet and it went viral and people were going gaga about it and, they were going crazy. How did this happen? You were always into writing. How did this shift happen, कि मैं चलो producer बन जाता हूँ?
Actually मैं यार कोई और बना नहीं रहा था, तो फिर मुझे लगा मैं ही बना लेता हूँ. It's as simple as that. कि मतलब जो भी लोग मैक्सिमम प्रोड्यूसर बनते हैं उनका यही होता है. मतलब जो डायरेक्टर होते हैं या राइटर होते हैं, क्योंकि कोई और बना नहीं रहा होता तो चलो खुद बनाते हैं. Best Girlfriend was something I made just to know whether I can direct or not. That was the sole idea of making that film. तो बनाने के बाद बहुत diverse reactions आए. A lot of people loved the film, a lot of people hated it. But one thing was clear that a lot of people are engaging with it. So I realized, हाँ यार चलो कुछ तो आता ही है. And then obviously you get better. मैंने कभी ऐसा प्लान नहीं करा था that I would make so many short films, I'll produce, I'll direct. But it just so happened that now it has become a thing. Today I'm in a situation where I can make any short film. I have at any point more than like 3-4 people who are ready to give me money कि बनाओ, produce करो, direct करो.
Yeah.
So now I've become choosy. I only make a short film when I really feel like, because there's a lot of hard work that goes into it.
True.
और कभी-कभी ऐसा भी होता है that I am feeling uninspired and jobless. So I decide to make a short film. कि चलो ये कर लेते हैं, ये तो सबसे easy है मेरे लिए.
Navjot, I want to ask you something. What's the best and the most difficult part of being a producer, especially on set?
The most, I think it's all about man management. मतलब if you are a people's person and if you can comfort people, if you can keep them happy, be it your ADs, be it your actors, be it your technicians, अगर आप सबको खुश रख सकते हो तो बेसिकली प्रोड्यूसर आइसक्रीम है, उसका काम है सबको खुश रखना. अगर आप आइसक्रीम वाली पर्सनालिटी है आपकी तो प्रोड्यूसर बनो, नहीं तो बहुत दुख मिलेगा. तो आई थिंक ओवर द इयर्स I have managed to turn into someone who people really like, so it's easy for me to take favors. तो मैं फेवर लेके बहुत सारे काम करवा लेता हूँ जो अदरवाइज लोग नहीं करते.
But Navjot, do you also feel that being a producer, you know, a lot of things are in your hand, lot of calls, like a lot of creative calls also, and otherwise also a lot of things are under your control in a way?
Of course, you have more control. If you are the one who's responsible for the money, then you are the one who has the control. That's obvious. And also it comes with a certain sense of responsibility. So I think I have managed to at least be that person कि मैंने जितनी भी आज तक short films बनाई हैं, everyone who has put in the money, they have made money out of it.
Wow, which is a lovely
So,
thing.
हाँ, and it's all about understanding. मतलब आपकी एक समझ होती है ना कि यार कौन सी चीज किसको समझ में आ जाएगी और कौन ले लेगा. और मैंने हर तरीके का एक्सपीरियंस लिया है, स्पेशली विद शॉर्ट फिल्म्स. जैसे जब मैंने जय माता दी शॉर्ट फिल्म जब मेरी आई थी 2017 में, उसके बाद जितना द काइंड ऑफ लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट आई गॉट वाज समथिंग एल्स. अभी तक कोई भी काम को उस तरीके का नहीं मिला है. नाउ आई क्रेव फॉर दैट यार कि वैसा कुछ हो जाए. बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई नेवर प्लान्ड इट कि ऐसा कुछ होगा. इट जस्ट सो हैपेंड कि वो हो गया तो हो गया. मतलब मेरी कमिटमेंट और डेडिकेशन हमेशा सेम होती है. कभी कभी जो सर्कमस्टेंसेस है वो आपके फेवर में नहीं होते.
True. Okay, Amar sir is here and Amar sir is saying that producer ice cream है तो भाई director क्या है? तो आप इसका जवाब
I will message him. I will tell him when I think about it. अभी लाइन एक ही आई है, सेटअप आया, पे ऑफ नहीं आया.
अच्छा. And Somen Mishra is saying, did I hear it right? Did he hear it right? Okay. Navjot, I know all the people I think who have joined. Most of them are your friends, and you know, most of them would agree with me that you know, you are a very happy person. You always radiate that positive energy, and मैं आपसे जितनी बार भी मिली हूँ, I've always seen, you know, you smiling, happy. How does that happen? How can you be 24/7 happy? How does that happen? How do you operate that way? I really want to know this.
यार मैं तो मौसम की तरह बदलता रहता हूँ. यू जस्ट हैव बीन फॉर्चुनेट दैट यू हैव मेट मी इन हैप्पी टाइम्स.
Is it?
I have had bad times also. I also get sad, but then I just make it a point when I'm meeting someone who's probably new or meeting for the first time or somebody who I think needs some sort of encouragement. तो मैं थोड़ा मुखौटा लगा के जाता हूँ खुश इंसान वाला, ताकि पॉजिटिविटी जो है रेडिएट हो. मेरा दुख बर्दाश्त करने के लिए बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो उनको पता है, तो ऐसा नहीं है. But yeah, I think over the years,
Rosit Roy is saying yes, I agree. He's the happiest and the most positive guy. Hardik is saying वाह.
हार्दिक वाह ही करता रहता.
Hardik is saying मौसम की तरह बदल.
Also over the years, what has happened is that, see, other than being a writer, director / producer, whatever, and I know I have done some things which have worked, some that have not worked. I think I've been really fortunate that I have a lot of friends who have become successful and they have broken out. So that is something that I really take pride in, that I know a lot. I have a lot of famous friends and they are all doing really well in life. And at some level, I feel that their success is my success also, because I have seen all of them from the beginning and the way they have become what they have become. And I really feel happy about that. At least I would like to say I'm famous by association at least.
Oh, true. Can you hear me, Navjot? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
Acha, Navjot, I want to ask you one more thing. When when you entered Mumbai, you had this huge set of friends, and can you recall any one memory which you are never going to forget? कि यार पता है उस वक्त हम ये किया करते थे, and ये चीज ना मैं कभी कभी नहीं भूल सकती. Okay, okay, okay. Amar Kaushik is saying, Lekha, please tell him that I love him. I think, sir, more than me, he knows you very well, and you don't love him, you don't adore him. Love is an understatement. Yeah, sorry. Coming back to the question, that is there any one memory? Because you guys, like your whole entire group of friends, you guys have seen all the hardships. You guys have, I hate to use this word, but then you guys have seen that struggle, and you guys have reached a level where actually you can, mentor a lot of upcoming talent and upcoming actors and writers. So, is there any one specific memory which you would like to share with us कि यार ये बात मैं कभी नहीं भूल सकता, या कोई specific meeting या
So
कुछ भी?
I'll tell you one incident. I'll not like to name the person, but at one point when I just started out, I used to live with 4 different actors in Andheri East.
Okay.
और वैसा रूटीन होता था कि वो चारों जो है डेली ऑडिशन करने जाते थे, और मैं मोस्टली घर पे रहता था, खाना बनाता था, और कोई एक मीटिंग होती थी तो करने चले जाता था. तो उन चारों में से जो एक था ना, वो बहुत जैसा चैप्टर टाइप था. वो चाहता नहीं था कि कोई और आगे बढ़े. तो वो ना एक दिन उसको एक ऑडिशन का कॉल आया, और उस समय 2009 में मतलब गिविंग एन ऑडिशन वाज आल्सो अ बिग थिंग, बिकॉज तब वैसा नहीं होता था कि यू कुड जस्ट वॉक इनटू एनी ऑफिस एंड गिव एन ऑडिशन. ना ये होता था कि उस समय सोशल मीडिया भी इतना प्रेवलेंट नहीं था. सो द फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन ही सेड कि यार मैं उन लोगों को नहीं बताऊंगा कि मैं ऑडिशन देने के लिए जा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मैं नहीं चाहता कि मेरे लिए कंपटीशन बने. तो मैंने उसको बोला था, यार तू कैसा बेवकूफ है, मतलब यू शुड टेक ऑल ऑफ देम अलोंग एंड इंक्रीज द चांसेस कि तुम में से किसी एक का हो, क्योंकि जरूरी नहीं कि सिर्फ तेरा हो, किसी और को भी हो सकता है जिसको तू जानता नहीं है. अगर तेरे जानने वाले का होगा, तेरे फ्रेंड का होगा, तो तेरा भी आगे जाके फायदा ही होगा ना. So that is the philosophy I have somehow managed to subscribe all through these years. कि मेरा नहीं हुआ तो कोई बात नहीं, मेरे आसपास वाले का हो जाए तो वो भी मेरा ही मानता हूँ. आज नहीं तो कल मेरा भी आ ही जाएगा. That's how I sort of function, and I believe that I have a lot of friends who subscribe to this philosophy, and everyone should do that. क्योंकि आप अकेले कहीं ऊपर पहुंच के कर भी क्या लोगे? क्या मतलब there is no one for you ना then. आपकी कमाई तो आपके साथ जो लोग हैं वो भी होते हैं.
True.
सिर्फ आपकी सक्सेस नहीं है.
True. As they say, united we stand. आप अकेले कहाँ तक चले जाओगे?
पर अभी कोरोना चल रहा है तो दूर दूर रहना जरूरी है. तो
अभी दूर दूर रहना जरूरी है, but you absolutely, and I actually believe you are that one, जैसे बॉयज की फुटबॉल टीम नहीं होती है कि सबको साथ में लेके आगे चलना है. सिर्फ एक प्लेयर की कुछ करने से I can't goal. It's like a collective effort, and I believe I've seen these all such things through these years. Okay, Navjot, we are going to play a very quick and a small game. This game is called This or That.
Don't. I hope it's not some game where I embarrass myself.
No. I have kept it very simple, and I know that you are very blunt, and you will say anything and everything. I have kept
Udit Gaur is here. Udit Gaur is here. He wants to meet you. Why don't you meet? And he has taken an H out of your name. उसने लेखा बना दिया.
अच्छा नवजोत, let me tell you, Udit Gaur is a very good friend. We talk almost every day. मेरी 2 दिन पहले उससे बात हुई है. He's just pulling my leg. जैसे आपको ट्रोलिंग मिलती है, मुझे भी ट्रोलिंग मिलती है.
It's okay then.
Yeah. So we are going to play a very quick game. You have to choose between 2 options. I'm going to give you 2 options, this or that, and you have to choose between them. Okay, Navjot. Tea or coffee?
Coffee. Any day.
मुझे लगा था you are that child lover.
No, I can't stand tea. I am coffee. I am team coffee. मुझे दिन में 2 कॉफी चाहिए ही चाहिए. अब तो मैंने मतलब सीधा, अगर दूध भी नहीं होता तो ब्लैक कॉफी भी चलेगी, बट कॉफी होनी चाहिए.
Okay. Pop music or rock music?
Pop music.
So Main is going a little more specific. He's saying it's cold coffee. Prosit So is also saying cold coffee. Amar Kaushik is saying
हाँ, वो सबको
Starbucks.
मालूम है कि
Oh my
स्टारबक्स के लिए मैं
God!
बदनाम हूँ.
अच्छा क्या Starbucks is your second house or what? ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
So basically the thing is कि मेरा दिमाग ना लोगों में ही चलता है, भीड़ के अंदर, और वो भीड़ स्टारबक्स की होती है तो ज्यादा चलता है.
Okay.
तो इस
अच्छा.
चक्कर में आई एंड अप राइटिंग मोस्टली एट द इन्फिनिटी स्टारबक्स, जो बंद है आजकल. तो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल कांट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई आई डू इट. मेरे पास भी कोई उसका कॉन्क्रीट आंसर नहीं है. बट इफ आई लाइक द वाइब ऑफ सम प्लेस देन आई लाइक.
Yeah.
तो मुझे वो खुला खुला ऐसा एटमोसफियर जिसमें लोग आते जाते रहते हैं. So a lot of people feel that how can you sort of
Right
concentrate when there
there.
are so many
Yeah.
people.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
मेरा उल्टा है, that if the only way I can concentrate is if I'm distracted. अगर मुझे अकेले रूम में छोड़ दिया जाएगा तो मैं कोई काम नहीं कर पाऊंगा. जैसे राइट नाउ आई एम एट होम एंड इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू राइट, बिकॉज यहाँ पे आई हैव ऑल द कंफर्ट पॉसिबल. और बट फिर भी द स्पीड इज वेरी लेस एंड द फ्रीक्वेंसी इज वेरी लेस, क्योंकि मुझे आदत नहीं है. ऑल्सो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड जो राइटिंग है ना. सी, राइटिंग इज अ वेरी लोनली जॉब. यू आर सिटिंग इन वन कॉर्नर एंड राइटिंग. द
Yeah.
आइडिया ऑफ गोइंग टू अ कॉफी शॉप एंड सिटिंग एंड राइटिंग ना मेक्स इट लुक लाइक कि आप किसी ऑफिस में जा रहे हो. आपको एक
Oh, so
फीलिंग आती
true.
है कि आप कहीं गए कुछ अकम्प्लिश करने के लिए.
Yeah.
It's a thing which is in the head, and
Yeah.
people who are constantly writing, they understand that. Because पहले मैं ऐसे नहीं लिखता था, मैं भी घर पे बैठ के लिखता था. But a friend of mine called Sumit Arora, उसने मेरे को ये कीड़ा कटवा दिया कॉफी शॉप में लिखने का. तो पहले मैं भी उसका मजाक उड़ाता था कि तू ये क्यों करता है. बट देन आई सॉर्ट ऑफ bought it and now I enjoy it. Although right now there is no such option. तो करना है तो कर ही रहे हैं. But yeah, to answer your question, yes, Starbucks coffee and cold. That's the answer.
Cold coffee. And I, whatever you have told me, I believe you love chaos, if I'm not wrong. You
Yeah,
like a little bit of
I
chaos.
love chaos. Chaos is good. I operate best in chaos.
Yeah,
मतलब if you give me the ideal circumstances, I'll take it for granted. जैसे अगर जिस दिन मेरा my nephew is just 5 years old, so any day that he is मुझे तंग कर रहा होता है ना, वो उस दिन मैं ज्यादा बेटर काम करता हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है यार कि यार ये मुझे तंग कर रहा है और मुझे काम करना है. पर
Navjot,
अगर
why
वो
don't
मेरे
you
पास
why
आएगा
don't
नहीं तो
you
मैं उसके पास चल के जाऊंगा.
Navjot, why don't you make a girlfriend? आप बहुत अच्छा लिखोगे. Make a girlfriend, no? That's the best option.
अरे उससे कुछ नहीं, पैसे के लिए काम करता हूँ. पैसा सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है, बाकी सब
Okay.
चीजें आती जाती रहती है.
Okay, fine. Okay. No, in fact, no, I'm on a serious note. I was talking to a writer and he told me that, like I'm like writing. And, suddenly I go blank and I've got no new thought and I don't understand ab kya likhu. If I'm sitting in Starbucks, I'll just look around people around me and, it will just give me a sort of break and I'll start writing again. So I think, yeah, I mean, I think
I
that's
lost you. Hello.
your technique too.
Hello,
Can you see me
hello.
now?
I can't see you. Hello, I can't hear you. There's
Okay.
loss of video quality.
No, I can see you. I can hear you.
Okay. What were you saying?
I'm saying that once I was talking to a writer. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah. So once I was talking to a writer and he told me that, Lekha, when I'm writing and, if I get stuck and I'm like, I'm out of ideas and, I'm completely blank. I don't know what the next line should be. I am absolutely out of it. I just look around, look people around me, like look at people, who are there in Starbucks and, it's sort of a break. Like, mujhe ek chota sa, it's like a sort of mini break, maybe for 30 seconds, maybe for a minute. And then I start writing again. So I can completely relate to it. Why do you, write in a place which is so chaotic and, which has so much of noise and blah, blah,
Yeah,
blah.
of course. See, everybody has their ways and process. A lot of people like to or want to write in a very proper place without any chaos or without any distraction, and they work best.
Yeah.
All I am saying is that there is no set formula of how you should write. It is something which is very unique to the person. If I feel like that chaos works for me, then it works for me. If it
Yeah.
doesn't work for the other person, then it doesn't.
Yeah.
But
It's
and also over the years, I have also sort of started to go out of the city to write, as in to go to Goa or any other city. I have been to Kunur also. So
oh wow.
वो भी एक अच्छा हो जाता है, मतलब because I am not somebody who has taken a lot of vacations. तो मुझे वो writing vacation बहुत अच्छी लगती है, because that is something जिसमें आपका घूमना फिरना भी हो जाता है. You meet a lot of new people also, and you also finish your work. So everything sort of happens simultaneously. वो बहुत अच्छी चीज है.
True. Just a second. Yeah. Okay, shall we carry on with the game?
Yeah, what's the next?
Yeah. Pancakes or waffles?
Pancakes.
Day or night? I think night.
Night.
Night,
दिन
right?
में तो restart होने में बहुत time लगता है. I'm a night person.
Yeah, I thought so. You're more active when it comes to text messages or calls?
I lost you. What were you saying?
I'm saying you're more active when it comes to text messages or calls.
I used to be a phone call person, but now I've turned into a text person because everybody around seems to work better on text. So I've also sort of adapted myself to text.
Yeah.
So text.
Yeah. Okay, Somen sir is asking what is pancake. So after this live session is over, I'm going to text you what do you exactly mean by pancake. Okay, love or money?
Love.
Okay,
if given a choice.
If given a choice, yeah. Summer or winter?
Winter. I love winters.
Why?
Bombay mein, although you never get to experience it, it's weatherless as we know.
True. Rain or snow?
Snow, क्योंकि rain बॉम्बे में इतनी देख लिया, अब दिल भर चुका है. ऐसा लगता ही देखेंगे तो
True. Amar Kaushik is texting love. Okay. Car or bike?
I think car, because it's more comfortable.
Yeah. OTT or theaters?
आजकल के सिचुएशन में तो जहाँ पे जो मिल जाए दोनों ही एक जैसे हैं, मतलब.
But still, if you have to choose
OTT
one,
क्या, YouTube क्या.
But what would you go for? But if you have to choose
I am
one,
a cinema person. I love cinema. I love going into the dark and seeing the film with people. I love that experience, and I'm really looking forward to watching Tenet. It's going to release whenever cinemas open. So because of Nolan film is something that it's an event, and I'm really looking forward to it. That would be the best film to sort of open cinemas with, I feel. I hope that happens, but we don't really know how this Corona/lockdown situation is going to pan out. But hopefully it will be something which is good.
True.
Eventually.
Features or shorts? Like short films or feature films? Feature films or short films?
Shorts तो भी बहुत सारी बना ली है, feature films.
Okay, I am going to add one Amar Kaushik's question: writing or directing or producing?
I think I enjoy directing the most.
Okay.
But that the whole process of being on a set and handling so many people and getting it right, I love that process the best. But writing is something which comes more naturally to me. Direction is something I've sort of acquired. And producing, a lot of my friends feel that I'll be a great producer. All I have to tell them that please give me the money. मुझे दे दो 100 crore रुपए मैं studio बना लूँगा.
Okay. Last one. A short film or a short film on OTT platform? Like a film on OTT platform or a short film? What would you choose?
As in to make or to see?
Both. To make and to see.
Yeah, I don't think you can categorize things like that right now.
But
everything is subjective.
This is this or that. You have to pick one.
So I'll pick OTT then.
OTT. Okay. 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 अच्छा नवजोत, anybody who knows you, वो सबको पता है that you love Punjabi music and Punjabi food. So would you just elaborate a little bit more about your love for Punjabi music?
Punjabi music se zyada I love Punjabi food because I have sort of been born and brought up in that atmosphere where
Yeah.
मतलब a lot of जैसे राजमा चावल is my go-to dish whenever I come home,
Yeah.
and also
In
although a
fact,
lot of diets and all
one
don't
of your friends,
subscribe,
is asking butter chicken or rajma chawal. So yeah,
rajma chawal.
rajma chawal. Okay. Yeah. Sorry.
I'll
Sorry
have
to
to choose.
interrupt. Yeah.
So I was saying that I think वो तो आपके atmospheres ही याद है. I have sort of tasted a lot of different cuisines all over these years, but जो comfort food होता है वो वही होता है जो आप बचपन से sort of खा रहे हो.
True.
तो
True. True.
इसलिए राजमा चावल हो गए या फिर ब्रेकफास्ट में पराठा हो गया. मतलब अब मैं कम खाता हूँ, अगर एक भी खा लूं तो बहुत होता है. मतलब दिन पूरा तभी होता है जब एक खा लूं. That's the whole deal.
Yeah. 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 Okay, Navjot, during this quarantine, one thing which has really boomed, it is OTT platforms and, digital content. Like, everybody is watching it, be it from a rural background, be it from urban background, everybody is watching it. And like, it's like growing and growing and growing. What do you feel in next 5 years, OTT platform is going to be like? How can you see the future of OTT platforms? And not even 5 years, maybe next 3 or 4 years.
I think the way life is going right now, it almost seems like that Corona has been planted by OTT platforms because it's working heavily in their favor, and the way
Yeah.
things are going, theaters it seems will cease to exist. So they are
True.
going to rule. Only thing is that a lot of platforms exist and they keep putting out content, but till the time any platform has their definitive show, one that sort of breaks out, they are all just releasing content and no one is actually seeing. Of course, unless you're making soft porn, जैसे a lot of
Yeah,
OTT
I
platforms are
understand.
doing,
Yeah.
उसके
Yeah.
कंज्यूमर तो
Yeah.
हमेशा ही मिल जाएंगे, कभी नहीं कोई रोक पाएगा. Right now,
True. True. True.
Ram Gopal Verma has also started making soft porn. I don't know what to say about that. It's heartbreaking to see the least.
Yeah.
कहाँ
Yeah.
से कहाँ चला
Okay,
गया.
no.
That guy who has inspired so many filmmakers, and now he
So
basically
true. So
makes soft.
true.
It's
Um,
incredible. अगला लाइव रामू के साथ करो.
Please, मुझे बख्श दो, please, guys. अच्छा, Navjot, I want to ask you. You have produced, like you initially started writing a lot of short films. That you started directing a lot of short films, and then you put in a lot of money when it comes to short films. How did this whole journey start?
It started with Best Girlfriend. That was a short film that sort of became a thing. It has got over 52 million views on YouTube. It had been featured in a lot of places. So a lot of people started reaching out and they believed that I could do something. Then I made
Yeah.
one more short film called Ghumakkad, which is on YouTube. वो
Yeah.
बना ली. उसके बाद
Fatafat.
I
You
made
produced
Jai Mata
Fatafat.
Di. हाँ,
Yeah.
so I made Jai Mata Di for TTT. So after
Okay.
Jai Mata Di came out and became sort of a success, a lot of more people started reaching me and saying that पैसे ले लो और बना लो. So, and
Nice.
also with short films, what happens is that there is a certain level of freedom and trust that is associated, because how people function is that if you have given one success, then they think that you know the formula and you will get it right no matter what. So that
You
is
know the
what sort
craft,
of led
basically.
to. हाँ, मतलब वही है, बेसिकली लोगों को प्यार से बेवकूफ बनाना है, वही है. अगर आप वो सीख लो तो सब कुछ हो जाता है. Then I made Maya, which Vikas directed, Vikas Chandra, and that had Naveen Kasturia and Kirti Kuladi. Kirti, in
Yeah.
fact, won the Best Actor award at Filmfare for it. And then
Oh,
we
wow.
made Fatafat. Yeah, we made Fatafat with Divendu, which Parijat, my friend, he directed. और फिर one short film I made called Second Hand, which came out last month only. And one film I really liked, which was released on Z5, I picked it up and released it, was Hum Naye Hoke Purane, that has Rajshri. So that also I sort of helped put together. So yeah, it's something which is fun, I feel. Although abhi itna man nahi karta because there's too much investment which happens emotionally more than the financial aspect of it.
So true, so true. Navjot, I want to ask you, how did this Jai Mummy Di happen? It's an amazing film. I've watched it. Extremely entertaining, you know, full family
तुमको ही
masala
अच्छी
film.
लगती है
How
यार,
did this
फिल्म कोई
happen?
अमेजिंग नहीं है. मैं कह रहा हूँ वो
अच्छी
फिल्म बस
है
तुम्हें ही
नवजोत.
अच्छी लगती है, कोई अमेजिंग फिल्म नहीं है वो. बट
नवजोत
बनने का
अच्छी
प्रोसेस
है.
काफी अमेजिंग था. नहीं है तो बनने का प्रोसेस काफी अमेजिंग था
But how
बिकॉज
did
सम
it happen?
35 प्रोड्यूसर्स.
How?
हाँ, आई एम टेलिंग यू. So some 35 producers rejected that film over a period of 2 years. Sabne for different reasons they kept
Oh,
saying no to the film. But I believed that I really wanted to make it, and then when I had literally given up hope on ever making it, I bumped into Love Ranjan, and he is someone who is I knew from a long time. I had written something for him in 2012. So he met me and he said, "Come to my office. मैं अभी produce भी कर रहा हूँ, आजा कुछ करते हैं." So I went to meet him, rather skeptical, not knowing whether he will actually make my film or not. But then he saw some of the work that I have directed, and then he said, "ठीक है, तेरी script सुनते हैं." तो मैंने उसको script सुनाई. First half सुनने तक उसने कोई reaction नहीं दिया. मुझे लगा कि he'll hate it and he'll probably throw me out of his office.
yeah.
तो आफ्टर द नरेशन वाज ओवर आई सेड कि ठीक है यार, मैं चलता हूँ, मतलब मारना मत मुझे पता चल गया आपको नहीं अच्छी लगी. तो उसने बोला रुक. ही वेंट टू द अदर रूम एंड ही केम विद अ चेक इन हिज हैंड. ही सेड कि ये फिल्म मेरी होगी, मैं बनाऊंगा, टाइम लगेगा, इंतजार करियो और पेशेंस रखियो, बट आई विल मेक इट.
Wow.
सो उसके बाद it took some time, around 3 years for it to come out, but that's how it sort of started. Basically, I never gave up hope. That
Which
is
is
the bottom
very
line.
true. Which is very, very true. Very true. Okay, Gajraj sir is here. He's saying
Hi
hi.
sir.
And he's also saying, please sit slightly away from the phone, Gulati.
बहुत सारे डायरेक्टर फ्रेंड्स हैं ना.
ये सब आपके कैमरा एंगल के पीछे पड़ गए. I'm telling you.
अरे मैं ऐसा इंस्टा लाइव, जैसे गजराज सर अभी ऐसा इंस्टा लाइव एक्सपर्ट हो गए ना. मेरा
सर
फर्स्ट है, अगले में बेटर होगा.
प्योर हीरा है हीरा. सर कह रहे लड़का प्योर हीरा है हीरा. वाओ. Okay.
Yeah, he loves me.
Yeah, I can completely see that. Navjot, you have directed a feature film and you have been associated, like you have directed, produced, and you have written a lot of short films. What's the difference between both of them? Like, what's as a writer
See,
also?
making a feature film that you have written and directed, that comes with a lot more of responsibility, and there is a lot more scrutiny. Half of the world is waiting for you to fail. There are a lot of factors which basically have to go your way, and the chances to fail are numerous. But when you're making a short film, you are the only one who's responsible. ज्यादा लोग उसमें घुसते नहीं है, तो जो भी प्रोडक्ट निकल के आता है एटलीस्ट उतना हो जाता है कि आपको पसंद आ गया है. लोगों को आएगा कि नहीं वो देखने वाली बात है. फिल्म में क्या होता है that there are so many people, because there's big money involved. Till the time you give that one successful film, the number of people that you have to convince to be able to make a film and get it out the way you want, that is very big. So that takes a lot of effort.
True.
As opposed to, and I am not saying physical effort, but the emotional effort of it. The emotional aspect of it is always more taxing.
True. I completely agree with you. Yeah. Navjot, is there any actor whom you really would like to work with or whom you would really love to direct from India, out of India?
In the current lot, one actor that I really like and I want to make a film with, that would be Ranveer Singh. I love his energy and the way he sort of transforms into different characters. आई जस्ट लव द गाय. मतलब मेरे को उसको देख के मेरे को लगता है मेरा भतीजे वाली एनर्जी उसके अंदर है. मतलब जो 5 साल के बच्चे के अंदर होती है ना, जो 24 घंटे एक्टिव रहता है. I would love to sort of work with him just for his energy and the kind of but then अभी मेरे चाहने से क्या होता है, उसको भी तो चाहना चाहिए. वो वक्त आएगा तो पता चलेगा.
But then, as you said, hope is the key.
हाँ,
Navjot,
वो hope तो है ही.
yeah. Navjot, is there any director whom you would like to collaborate with in near future?
As a writer, if I have to really work with a director, then I would love to work with Zoya Akhtar, Dibakar Banerjee, Anurag Kashyap. Well, these are the people I would really want to work with, because I feel that they are great at what they do and I can contribute and probably bring a new dimension to people. And another director which I really love and I hope that one day he lets me write for him is Imtiaz Ali. बट सर अभी मानते नहीं है. वो बोलते हैं मैं खुद ही लिखूंगा. मेरी लड़ाई भी बहुत बार हो चुकी है. So a lot of people say that he keeps repeating the kind of films he makes, but I feel that one day I'll write a film for him which will be his best, if that ever happens.
Wow. We'll all wait for that auspicious day. What have you been doing during this quarantine? Anything productive लिखने के अलावा?
I think I've become a chef. मैं शेफ बन गया हूँ. मतलब मैं घर आया हूँ तो मैंने अपने घर वालों को पहले 3 दिन, मतलब जब भी ऐसा क्वारंटाइन ओवर हुआ तो मैंने बोला यार कि मैं ही बनाता हूँ. तो मैंने अलग अलग डिशेस बना के खिलाई एंड दे वर ऑल शॉक्ड, बिकॉज इससे पहले मैं बहुत ही फंक्शनल कुक था. बट ऐसा 2 महीने में क्या हुआ, इतना सारा टाइम था कि कुकिंग बिकेम अ बिग रिलीफ फैक्टर. कि मतलब कुछ नहीं हो रहा तो यार चलो खाना ही बना लेते हैं यूट्यूब से रेसिपी सीख के. तो उसमें बहुत सारी नई नई चीजें मैंने ट्राई करी. अब बात ये है कि खुद पे ज्यादा ट्राई करी, अपना माल तो सभी को अच्छा लगता है, तो और लोग खाते तो शायद बेटर पता चलता. एक बार मैंने बिरयानी 2 बार ट्राई करी पर ज्यादा अच्छी बनी नहीं. तो मेरा अभी ऐसा एक एम है कि बिरयानी ये खत्म होने से पहले अच्छी बनाना सीख जाऊं.
नहीं, you will learn. Navjot, is there any upcoming project of yours that we can, see in these coming months?
So I have got there are 2 films that I have written. One is called Guinea Wet Sunny. Okay. That has got Vikrant Massey and Yami Gautam. That's completed. That will release sometime soon, hopefully. Another film that I'm associated as a writer with is Dostana 2. That is also on floors.
Yeah.
And then there are a couple of films that I am writing for different producers, which is the bread and butter right now. And then there is one film that I want to make, which I have written and I'm pitching it around. तो चल रहा है, मतलब कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है. Something or the other is always happening.
Yeah. No. That is very important. Amazing, yeah. There are a lot of projects in your kitty, yeah. Lot of projects. Okay, Navjot, there are a lot of aspiring. The moment I shared this post that I'm going to go live with you, there were a lot of questions from aspiring writers, asking that how do we start a career when it comes to writing? What should we do? How should we do? Lot of writers, rather, more than actors, there were writers, who asked me a lot of questions. So is there any one suggestion? Not even one. I mean, is there a suggestion, you would like to give to all the aspiring writers, especially who are watching us?
मैं तो यार यही बोलूंगा कि just be aware of your surroundings, have great life experiences, watch everything, good, bad, ugly, understand what is happening, and then go out in the market and pitch your stuff. And when you go out, if you're a writer, you should have multiple things you have written, because you will never know what will be picked. You cannot be that person who decides I will only make one thing. And if as a writer, you can do that as a director, where you have that belief in that one script and you really want to make it and you go all out. But as a writer, I have understood or realized that it's better to have a lot of options, because you never really know which one will click. So I would suggest all writers to have a story bank, a bunch of stories that you and you want to pitch to people. If you have them at your disposal, because you never know. Sometimes what will happen is that कोई आपका कोई एक चीज पढ़ेगा which they might not make, but on the basis of liking the writing, they will give you some other work. So it's always
Okay,
best to
okay.
have that.
Yeah. Anything you would like to tell to everybody who's watching and who wants to become an actor, aspiring actors who wants to come to Mumbai, from a small town, and they want to explore the city of dreams. Anything you would like to tell them?
मैं तो यार सबको इतना कुछ बोल चुका हूँ कि क्या ही नया बता दूंगा. But I don't know, yeah, right now the whole situation is so different. We don't really know when actual work will resume, how things will be different from what they are right now. We don't really know. और आज
Yeah,
तक तो मैंने जितना भी ज्ञान पेला है वो प्री कोरोना अप्लाई करता है. पोस्ट कोरोना के लिए कुछ नया बनाना पड़ेगा. तो वो जब आ जाएगा टाइम तो आई गेस आई विल बी इन अ बेटर पोजीशन टू से कि हाँ ये करो. अभी तो कोई सर पैर ही नहीं
true.
है. नोबडी रियली नोज हाउ थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू सॉर्ट ऑफ पैन आउट.
True, true, true. Okay, Navjot, this brings us to the end of our session. We are going to play a very small game and we'll be ending this session. And I'm going to post this whole entire interview on my IGTV so that, someone who wants to watch it later can watch it later. I'm going to play some sort of music for 10 seconds and you have to guess what song is it. And you are a Bollywood buff, आप तो
ओके.
ऐसे बता दोगे. I've kept it very, very simple. एंड योर लव फॉर पंजाबी सॉन्ग, तो पहला मैं पंजाबी गाना प्ले कर रही हूँ.
तेनू सूट सूट कर दो.
या इट्स तेनू सूट करदा. या नाइस नवजोत, नाइस.
बीट पता चल गया.
ओके, ये मुझे पता था लाइक बट मैंने जानबूझ के थोड़ा इजी रखा था. ओके, दिस सॉन्ग इज अ लिटिल sort of retro, and it's a very, very famous song, and it has something to do with Kashmir. So let me play the song.
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा पता ही है.
नाइस, नाइस, नाइस. ओके, ये मैं सिर्फ गाना प्ले करूंगी, आपको मुझे पिक्चर का नाम बताना है कि ये कौन सी
हाँ अभी ये लास्ट है.
फिल्म का
भतीजा
गाना है. आप
दरवाजा.
बता ही दोगे.
मैं कह रहा हूँ मेरा भतीजा दरवाजा तोड़ देगा नहीं तो. अब मैं खत्म नहीं करा मैंने ये तो. वो बाहर वेट कर
No,
रहा है.
this is the last thing. Yeah, this is the last thing, and we wrap up. Yeah, you have to guess the film. Okay.
ओके. Can you increase the volume? I can't hear.
It's cool.
नहीं समझ में नहीं आ रहा. क्लैरिटी नहीं है.
अच्छा, the song's name
दूसरा
is O
गाना बजाओ
Humanya.
सेम पे.
नहीं, the song's name is O Humanya. ये कौन सी फिल्म का गाना है?
अरे सुनाई नहीं पड़ रहा. वो तो फिर
बता
पता
रही
चल ही
ना.
जाता वासीपुर है.
वासेपुर. अच्छा, ठीक है. हाँ, that's
हाँ
it.
फिल्म
That's
तो
it.
वासीपुर ही है.
हाँ जी, वही. That was the question. Okay, thank you so much, Navjot, for being such a sport, and
Thank you to you
I
also.
hope you
I have a lot of messages to
and
answer after this is over.
why?
A lot of
Why?
people would have messaged me, I can guess, trying to. क्योंकि आजकल लोगों के पास टाइम नहीं है ना, तो ये आज का सबके लिए इवेंट बन गया है कि मैं लाइव आया हूँ.
Oh, अच्छा, is it that difficult to bring you live? Is it? I mean, okay, मुझे नहीं पता था.
It is.
It is. So lucky me
But I
then,
had
dude.
fun.
Lucky me.
Yeah, you are lucky like that.
No, Navjot, thank you so much for being such a sport, and we loved everything about your journey, and I wish you loads and loads of luck and success in coming future. And
Thanks.
thank
Same
you
to
so
you.
much. Thank you so much, and always be this positive energy, and always keep motivating us and keep making us laugh. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.